In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to sign in into the PlayStation network on your PS5. So what you need to do first is to just go into settings here on your PS5 and then go into users and accounts right here. So if you're not signed in, it will say like this, you're not signed in here, but you can click on the sign in button right here. So if you click on the sign in button, you will then get this QR code that you can scan here, as you can see. And this is probably the easiest way to actually log in. You can also sign in manually here, but I really like this QR code, to be honest. So I'm just going to take my mobile and scan it. Oh, sorry. Going to scan it right here, as you can see, and then click on this yellow thing here where it says PS app. And then I'm going to click on approve right here, as you can see. So click on approve and then click on OK. Then I'm just going to wait here and I'm just going to click on OK here. So you can see I'm actually now signed in into my account. It doesn't say anything right now that I have to sign in. I'm signed in into my account. It's that easy. You can of course also do it manually, but honestly, if you already have the PlayStation app on your phone and you're signed in, it's just gonna make your life so much easier, to be honest. And that is basically exactly how to do this.